Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Yumi Dreams. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button to join God Mom's family and that notification bell for you to get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you are a regular babe, guys, you've been here before, thank you guys so much for watching this video. So I'm starting a weekly vlog and today is Tuesday. Yesterday I was cleaning the house, you know, out to guys, whoa, okay. So yeah guys, and also I have to prepare myself for the week. So yeah, today we have a few things to do. Guys, so I need to iron that. And already I'm not about to take down that curtain, like I don't have a steam iron, but I'm just gonna make it plain. Guys. So guys, today was a bleach my week. I have 6 weeks to bleach the knots and also to customize them. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Right now I'm gonna eat and then I'm 7 guys because I need to work. Yeah, so here's my food. Let me put you down here. So guys, my camera is low and I need to get the battery go post-net because my mom sent it. I forgot the battery at home. Imagine guys. Okay, and I also need to do the dishes, like the last night dishes. I didn't do the dishes, guys. So I'm having ramen noodles. Times 2, guys. I love them. What are these, guys? Get it in. Veggie, mixed veggie. Linama, guys. Nama. So yeah guys, I eat them, guys, like guys, how pale sauce everything like. And then I'm also having my collagen water. So collagen eliminates, guys, So guys, right now I'm gonna eat and then bleach the knots. Yeah, and then while I'm bleaching the knots, I think it'll iron a kidneys ew, guys. So now let me eat, guys. This here is so nice. Guys, also how we pay them. I'm not, guys, like in a cake.
Remember the time we were standing on the rooftop? You shone as bright as the city before us. Now tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me you're cold and tell me I'm water.
So guys, to bleach my wigs, I'm using a Shea Cream Peroxide volume 30. I love this, guys. It's so strong and bona. What do we get? It's gray. It is chapella, guys, like speed. And then for the bleaching powder, I'm using this one. I think I got this one from Discam, but she does have I'm a bleaching powder. I was using their bleaching powder for like so long. I get to be you guys, or if guys, I need to get new things from her. Yeah guys, so this is the bleaching peroxide, and then this is the powder. And guys, so I just mix the bleaching powder and the peroxide using a comb because hakina brashian, guys. So you can use whatever that you want as long as it's plastic, you guys, né?
Just keep around it. Days of thunder I hear, they come when you're near. Why must all that I touch always fall into dust? We are fluid like the ocean waters, but you only
Yes, guys, I'm done doing my wigs, so I'm just waiting for the wig. Yeah.
Just this one is for the city before us. So tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me I'm loved and tell me I matter.
I said finally get me sleeping.
Days of thunder I hear, they come when you're near. Why must all that I touch always fall into dust?
Yes, it is, guys. This is much better, guys, than before. Guys, this is working. Like, see the difference. You can have more strict. You should show one more.
Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a
Oh my god, guys, I'm tired. It's Wednesday today, guys, and I started my day with the workout. I am so tired now. I need to take a shower and make food. I'm gonna have smoothie. I'm gonna be having a smoothie with collagen, because guys, I started taking collagen and bona, the benefits, my skin is glowing, everything is like on top, and also it's winter again, and also my skin, it's much better winter unlike summer. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you after showering, maybe when I make smoothie, you know. So cheers. So guys, I'm done taking a shower. Now I'm having my smoothie and then we get back to work, guys. We get back to work. I'm just gonna apply my makeup you know, and then prepare everything. Guys. I came here because lighting in Anna, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys after shooting the hair videos. And yeah, yo guys, agulungi. I'm supposed to be taking 3 hair videos, imagine, guys, and the lighting decided to be this. Like, look at my background, guys, look at my background. I just changed the curtain, like no janana. Sure guys, I have to wait for later on busibu, so that I can shoot hair videos, because I need 3 hair videos for next week. So yeah, this is the story of my life, guys. Oh, and also I was taking a video for Kayale 2 candles, so they sent me 3 candles. Let me show you guys. So this is the first one that they sent me. Guys, I don't know it. Wait, this lighting is so annoying, like, for real. Okay guys, so they sent me this candle. Like, this is so cute, guys. This is so nice. I'll put the link down on my description box so you guys can see. So this is their packaging. I've already opened it because I did an unboxing on my story. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, guys, please follow me. It's Give Me Dreams. And they sent me a letter here. You know, it's all about the candles. And yeah, guys, their packaging is so cute. Like, it's giving what's supposed to be giving. Okay, yeah. And then inana ya munna inana. Hey, hey, okay. And then bampali inana, guys. I was doing the post with this one because this is my favorite, guys. I feel like my body is like this. What do you guys think? Like, saw, guys. So this is me. This is me. That's why I guys. And the color, it's doing the most. I love brown. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is a South African brand called Kayale 2 Candles. Boy, guys, their candles are so amazing. Please follow them on Instagram. It's Kayale 2 Candles. They are doing the most. Dimona South Africa, guys. I've been seeing this candles go Pinterest. Like, I've been wanting them for so long, and they were like, you know what, Give Me Dreams, can we please send you this candles? I was like, yes, this is what I want. So I was like, yes. So if you are at home, you have a small business, you want me to promote it on my next vlog, you know, you can definitely hit me up and talk business. Then I went, woo, Batung. Okay. Okay, and then I went to Cotton On. Guys, the lighting. Look at this lighting. Like, it's on and off. I think I have to change the side because I'm flexing, guys. Like, guys, like the way kids think. Okay, I think this is much better. I think this is much better. Let me just reduce, guys. Like, the air lighting is so good. Is that like young thing? I'm so in love with these trousers, guys. Like, they're giving me the shape that I want. Like, body girl fella, you get, you know. Body girl fella, you know. So this is the trouser that I got. Palazzo, guys. I'm in the size medium, and this was 400 rand. Yeah, simple, beautiful, but simple, nice. This is so simple, guys. This is so simple. And then I also got this one. The joggers, guys. They have them go Cotton On, and they are so nice. I love the quality. I think And yeah, this was 350, guys. I think I have to go back and get the white one and the black one. I remember I bought the black one, but yo guys, le machine o tlatsa ka ona diaparo o sentse go ba ka, guys, like bona dikobo, I don't understand. So yeah, this one, I mean the size medium also. And then I went to Mr. Price Home to get a Kindle. I got this one. I got this one, guys. I am obsessed, okay? I am obsessed with yo guys. South Africa. Nemo. Guys. This is the Kindle that I bought. This was 116. And yeah, I'm just gonna put it here or here, and then let me see how I'm gonna place them. Let me show you guys how I'm gonna place them. So guys, right? Okay, so let me just, guys, you see the lighting is doing the nonsense. Okay, let me just sit down. Okay guys, so this is where I'm gonna place this Kindle, and then this one has to come like forward. What do you think, guys? Like this is the setup. Okay. So this is gonna be our setup, and then where is my favorite Kindle? And then here guys. And then here, guys, you know, for the display. What do you guys think? Ish, guys, the lighting, okay? The lighting is not giving us what we want. I was thinking maybe I should put this here. I think I should buy that book, but this is cute. And then when we do a hair video, I think okay, let me just remove these things. When we do a hair video, I just like to put the hair bomunana. I think we're gonna remove the Kindle, né? So guys, I was busy telling you about the lighting and whatnot. The camera decided that, you know what, it's enough to making space is faded, and I'm so hungry, guys. It's lunchtime now. I think 2 or 1, and I'm craving iced coffee, guys. My iced coffee. I know. We're gonna make food. So guys, okay, so for lunchtime, you know, trying to be healthy, like, guys, we're trying to be healthy here, like 70% healthy, 10% junk, 20% gym. That's it.
Remember the time we were standing on the rooftop? You shone as bright as the city before us. Now tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me you're cold, and tell me
I'm seeking. Bono, I'm seeking, guys. Let's eat. Okay. So this is my salad, guys. This is how I'm doing it. This is how I'm doing it. So in a fresh, guys. Woo! Hi guys. So today it's Thursday, and I was busy today. I want to get it. So guys, this hair is from AB Hair. Guys, this hair is so amazing. I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on this hair for YouTube. I already did for TikTok and it was a mess, guys, but it's okay because we got pictures. I mean, yeah, guys, I woke up today, I did my makeup, I did my TikTok because I'm back on TikTok, and then I'm taking pictures. I'm done taking pictures. It's 20 to 2, guys. I haven't eaten anything. Yeah, and let me show you guys how is my setup. So I'm using a Canon 80D, yeah, and I'm using a ring light, a big ring light with a soft box and a small ring light. Let me show you guys. And yo guys, you won't believe what the guys. So guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's Yumi Dreams. Yeah, it's Yumi_dreams. Please follow me, guys. Guys, things we do for the content. Okay. Let me show you guys. Let me just switch everything off so you guys can see properly what I'm talking about. Okay. This is how I set up for shooting. 2 ring light and a soft box. Yeah. Oh guys, late, you know, it's +6, so guys, and I was still washing the dishes. I removed the hair. I just changed into my comfortable clothes because man, guys, I'm talking about comfortable. Hey, guys. Eh? Ngikhuluma ne-vlog, baby. Eh? Ngithi hey.
Oh, sorry.
Angitsho imoto le irasela i-vlog yami. Hawu. So we ordered food, guys. We got spare and panarotis, guys. I got a pizza here. Yeah, guys. Chicken and bacon. And then we have pepperoni. Yeah. So that's what we're having for dinner. And then here I think we got wings, the ribs, and hot veggies. So I'm talking with that. We have hot veggies. And then we have got meat. Oh, my wings, so nice. And then we have ooh, yeah, ribs in London. Yeah, that's what we're gonna eat today, guys. I am so tired. I am so tired, Kateli. Huh. And I have to finish washing the dishes. Imagine. I have to finish washing the dishes. My makeup is looking ashy. No, when I go look. My makeup is so ashy. So guys, I'm gonna continue washing the dishes because it's smelling as wash, guys. Muzonibona kusasa or Friday. Yay, guys, got Friday, got it every day. Oh, guys, like Friday, guys, if it has to get it drained, okay? So, it's like, you know, lemon water. So, yeah, give me the list of lemon, guys. A chaser. I just woke up now. So, yeah. So yeah, guys, kgalenyana ke tsuile gobane ntse ke le busy fela ka dintonyana tsa bo editing and stuff, and ke borile gore guys, like the video that I was supposed to be posting before this one, no, yeah, how to smell good the whole day, guys, guys, like it didn't come out the way I want. Guys, so I give a close about content because give the mistake, guys, like I know. So I'm just gonna try and shoot and what happened, guys, for you guys. And also give a comment is hey Yumi Dreams, where is your holiday vlog, guys, hey, good rough vlog like holiday, guys, ne? I'm used to like working a lot, hakile high, you know, like I do a lot of things. So when I'm on a holiday, I kind of want to relax. I don't know if you guys understand, but how vlog go home guys, I don't know, but I'll just figure out. I will try a vlog on my holidays. Yeah, but yo guys, like ke batla ho relax on a holiday. I don't even think of the camera that I think of here Instagram, because like picture is a picture, guys, unlike a video is a lot, like it's a lot. But I'll just try to vlog for you guys on a holiday. If you realize, I don't have vlogs for the whole day, like the one that I have ke my 2019. I know, but I'll just try to vlog my holidays. Okay, people, I'm vlogging. I'll just try to vlog my holidays, guys. Hey, hopefully that's my hand, because now guys give it enjoy. Yes, do. Okay, so guys, today I'm gonna shoot for OIS. I have pictures to shoot for OIS, you know, private pictures, so they can use it on their website. And then I have to edit for our couples channel, yeah. And then what else? And then work is done. Hey guys, work is done. So I just want to take time and relax, you know, like I get even mad. I just want to take time to relax, guys. Pampere something. Ay guys, pampere. So guys, I'm gonna see you later on. So guys, I wanted to show you also what I received, you know. Isn't Dolezi, guys, from OIS Sports. So as you guys know, Gutimina, I work with OIS, so they sent me more of their clothes. This time they sent also like different colors, so please check out OIS for the guys. And they also like sent me the colors last time, guys, like this blue one, but the design, I think it's not the same. Okay, I do have this tight. Okay, I do have this tight, and I don't have this bra like this in the cross camera. So they sent me this bra. They also sent me this color here. Okay, so this is like orangey color. Wabana, guys. Yeah, they sent me these and the long ones. This time I think they sent me only the long ones. And so guys, my camera went off, but these are the things that I got from OIS. Yeah guys, they sent me, isn't doing me, guys, like for real, you know. So if you love colors, definitely go for these ones. I love them. And yeah, during my week I was like, guys, you need a lot of clothes to like change. Ningathi hey ziyafana niyabona guys, ziyafana. Ningathi hey uyimithemza kashintsha, guys, ziyafana. Literally I got 3 of these. And yeah, they also have like bras, you know, they're so different. I don't have this type. So yeah, if you love color, definitely go for these ones. And if you don't love color, they are neutral colors, you know. So yeah, and then we also have a parcel here. I don't know what is here because it's from Aramex and it's not a box, so I see me, guys. Hopefully I see on. Okay, it's hair, guys. I thought it was something else, but it's hair from Ali Grace, you know. I work with Ali Grace a lot because they love my content. I love their hair. So yeah, this is a bob. It's a bob wig. Okay, So guys, do you guys see how my life is from Monday to Friday? Like, do you guys get it? Yeah, ne? Good roof, good roof. Okay guys, they're making noise outside and by bora. So I need to fix my makeup real quickly, but I need to do this before I do that. Right now I am gonna put on my jewelries. You guys know how much I love jewelries. I was so happy when they reached out to me because I've been wanting something, you know, nice, something personalized, you know, because I love my name everywhere. Okay, so Sylviex personalized jewelries. If you want to buy your boyfriend or your girlfriend some gift, you know, you can just click the link on my description box, guys. All the information is there, how to purchase and everything. So these are my earrings and I'm gonna put them today. Let me show you guys these earrings. So ena ere Yumi, and then this one says, and this one it's dreams. So it's Yumi dreams. So guys, sizowafaka manje. Let me do this real quickly. I'll sing you like Buga, guys. Aha! So guys, here I am with my earrings. So now I'm just gonna put on a necklace that I got. They gave me this necklace that has my name on. It says Yumi Dreams, and then it's the real MXO because Miami. Good. So now our outfit is coming together. Do you guys see the difference? Earrings and the necklace. So here is the necklace, guys, how it looks like. Super cute. Let me take a picture real quickly. This is how beautiful I am. Yeah. So guys, if you want this necklaces or this jewelry from Sylviex, please click the link on my description box. I'll be so happy. So I'm done with the content creating work, you know, for the week. So it's my time now. So ke hlapetse hore ne ke tlo pheha, guys, dinner with me because it's Friday and we are pampering. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna have a good time by myself, and then I'm so afita have a good time, Leanna, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, right now let me just fix myself so that I can go to the kitchen, you know, and set up the mood for Friday because guys, I enjoy taking care of myself. So yes. Hello Zali, guys. I'm gonna see you guys ka kitchen. Hey, hey. Guys, if you don't love Michael Jackson, then I don't know. If you don't love Michael Jackson, guys, I don't know. Woo! Mina ngiya.
Uma pausa para eles.
Why le bank leli balibeka so?
Vai falar que eu estou filho de uma paz.